If you're tired of disposable quartz watches that lack character, batteries that need constant replacement, or expensive luxury watches beyond your budget, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best budget automatic watches that deliver mechanical watchmaking craftsmanship without premium prices. From entry-level Chinese movements to legendary Japanese reliability, you don't need to spend thousands for genuine mechanical horology. Whether you're starting your watch collection, professional wanting affordable daily wear, or anyone appreciating mechanical engineering, we've got the perfect automatic watch. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the Various Style Automatic Mechanical Watch at $30 to $60. The Various Style features basic automatic movement, providing mechanical watchmaking at minimal cost. The skeleton dial design displays the movement showcasing mechanical components. The case size is typically 40 to 44 millimeters. The movement is Chinese-made, providing entry-level automatic functionality. The build quality is basic with mineral crystal. The case construction is typically stainless steel or alloy. The water resistance is minimal, suitable for daily wear, but not swimming. The movement accuracy is adequate, with typical variation of plus or minus 30 to 40 seconds per day. The power reserve lasts approximately 40 hours. The skeleton design shows gears and springs working. For beginners wanting to experience automatic watches, students on tight budgets, or anyone curious about mechanical watches, this delivers entry-level mechanical experience. At number 4 is the Fanmiz Men's Automatic Watch at $50 to $90. The Fanmiz features improved automatic movement with better finishing. The case design is typically 40 to 42 millimeters with clean aesthetic. The dial design ranges from simple 3-hand to day-date complications. The movement is Chinese-made with improved quality control. The build quality steps up with solid stainless steel case construction. The mineral crystal is scratch-resistant. The water resistance typically reaches 30 meters, handling daily wear. The movement accuracy improves to approximately plus or minus 20 to 30 seconds per day. The power reserve lasts 40 to 42 hours. The case finishing shows better attention to detail than ultra-budget options. The exhibition case back on some models displays the movement. The loom application provides nighttime visibility. For beginners wanting better reliability, casual wearers wanting mechanical watch, or anyone wanting daily automatic watch, this delivers solid value. At number 3 is the Seiko SNKL55K1 automatic at $150 to $250. The Seiko 5SNKL23J1 features the legendary Seiko 7S26 automatic movement, providing proven reliability. The 38mm case size suits smaller wrists and classic proportions. The silver dial with applied indices provides elegant simplicity. The day-date complication adds practical functionality. The movement is Japanese-made, ensuring quality control. The build quality is excellent with solid stainless steel case construction. The Hardlex crystal provides good scratch resistance. The stainless steel bracelet features solid links. The water resistance reaches 30 meters. The movement accuracy is reliable at approximately plus or minus 20 seconds per day. The power reserve lasts 41 hours. The 7S26 movement is proven with decades of reliability data. The case finishing is clean with brushed and polished surfaces. The dial printing is crisp and legible. For watch enthusiasts wanting proven reliability, professionals needing dress watch, or anyone wanting legitimate Seiko quality, this delivers excellent value. At number 2 is the Seiko 5SNK381K1 automatic at $150 to $250. The Seiko 5SNK381K1 features the reliable Seiko 7S26 automatic movement. The 37mm case size provides vintage proportions. The black dial with white indices creates excellent legibility. The day-date complication provides practical functionality. The military-inspired aesthetic appeals to tool watch enthusiasts. The build quality matches Seiko's quality standards with stainless steel case construction. The Hardlex crystal protects the dial. The canvas strap provides comfortable wear with military aesthetic. The water resistance reaches 30 meters. The movement accuracy is consistent at approximately plus or minus 20 seconds per day. The power reserve lasts 41 hours. The 7S26 movement is the same proven caliber used across Seiko 5 line. The case finishing is utilitarian with brushed surfaces. The dial printing is bold and legible. The hands are large and loomed. For military watch enthusiasts, tool watch collectors, or anyone wanting rugged daily watch, This delivers classic field watch style with proven Japanese movement. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Seiko SNKL55K1 automatic watch, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of design, versatility, build quality, and value. Pricing runs from about $150 to $250. That's entry-level Seiko 5 pricing delivering refined dress watch aesthetic. The Seiko SNKL55K1 features the proven Seiko 7S26 automatic movement, providing reliable mechanical watchmaking. The 38mm case size hits the sweet spot for dress watch proportions, fitting comfortably under shirt cuffs. The champagne dial with applied indices creates sophisticated appearance suitable for professional environments. The day-date complication at 3 o'clock provides practical functionality. The movement is Japanese-made, ensuring quality control and reliability. The build quality is excellent with solid stainless steel case construction throughout. The Hardlex crystal provides scratch resistance, protecting the dial. The stainless steel bracelet features solid links with secure folded clasp. The water resistance reaches 30 meters, handling daily wear and incidental water exposure. The movement accuracy is reliable at approximately plus or minus 20 seconds per day, matching Seiko specifications for the 7S26 caliber. The power reserve lasts 41 hours, providing weekend wear capability without manual winding needed. The automatic winding is smooth and reliable through wrist movement throughout the day. The manual winding capability provides option to wind when needed. The 7S26 movement represents decades of proven reliability with extensive worldwide service network. The case finishing is refined with combination of brushed and polished surfaces, creating visual interest. The lugs are proportioned perfectly for 38mm case. The dial features applied indices, providing depth and quality appearance. The printing is crisp and legible. The hands are properly sized and loomed for nighttime visibility. The bracelet feels substantial with good weight and finishing. The champagne dial color provides versatility, working with both casual and formal attire. The day-date complication displays clearly with easy-to-read white printing on dark wheels. The crown operation is smooth for time and date setting. The case back is stainless steel with Seiko branding and specifications. What makes the SNKL55K1 number 1 is delivering refined dress watch aesthetic with proven Japanese reliability at budget pricing. The champagne dial provides versatility lacking in more common colors. The 38mm case size fits various wrist sizes while maintaining proper proportions. The 7S26 movement ensures reliability with worldwide service availability. The overall finishing quality rivals watches costing significantly more. The design versatility makes this suitable for professional environments, casual wear, and dressy occasions without seeming out of place. The build quality ensures years of reliable service with proper care. The bracelet is comfortable for all-day wear without causing discomfort. The Seiko 5 reputation provides confidence in long-term reliability and parts availability worldwide. For watch enthusiasts wanting versatile daily wearer, professionals needing affordable dress watch, newcomers wanting quality first automatic watch, or anyone wanting best overall budget automatic watch available, the Seiko SNKL55K1 delivers exactly that. The combination of refined design, proven reliability, quality construction, and versatile champagne dial makes it the best budget automatic watch you can buy right now.